Aha! Wow!
Yeah! Whoa!
Huh?
Oh no! Ah!
Huh?
Huh? Yes! Ha! Pika pika. Wow! Woohoo! Whoa! Aha! Good! Wow! Uh-oh. Yeah!
little hamster princess's dream come true. And find out who is Princess Peach. Huh? I'll start with the simplest materials, cardboard and colored paper, to create a beautiful home for the little princess. They not stick together. We need glue. Ooh! I choose a sweet pink color. Decorate the two large squares, the main walls of the castle. Pink symbolizes gentleness and romance, which suits the character of the hamster princess. I will start with the princess's bed. I take a sturdy cardboard. I will use it to make the frame for the bed. I will use pink colored paper to decorate the princess's bed. I choose a sweet pink color. Decorate the bed, bringing warmth and femininity. To make the cute little cushions for the hamster princess's bed, I choose a soft, shimmering pink fabric. This fabric not only provides a feeling of comfort and warmth, but also adds a touch of elegance to the bed. After cutting, I fold the fabric in half, with the two pink sides facing each other. I want to add a highlight to the hamster princess's bed, so I decided to make a decorative headboard cushion. To add a touch of elegance to the hamster princess's bed, I wanted to decorate it with some brass inlay details. I have chosen a kind of shiny yellow clay, soft and flexible, to create delicate patterns. I take a piece of yellow clay. I'll use it to create a brass inlay pattern to decorate the headboard. I use my hands to mold the clay into a shape like a curved pattern. This is top border of blanket. Next, I will create pillows for the hamster princess. I take a piece of soft fabric. I will use it to make pillows for her. I will use pink colored paper to decorate the hamster princess's pillows. I want to create a cute lamp for the hamster princess's room. I have found a plastic bottle cap and a bamboo stick. They will be the main ingredients for this lamp. I use hot glue to attach the bottle cap to the top of the bamboo stick, fixing it securely. Next, I use yellow paint to decorate the lamp, creating a sparkling lamp. To create the base of the lamp, I use a small yellow button. Finally, I decorate the lamp with a cute little white bead string. To create the arched door frame for the castle, I use white colored paper, cut a rectangle that fits the wall. Then I use a compass to draw a circular arc at the top of the rectangle, cut along the drawn line, creating a beautiful arched door frame. To add a romantic touch to the hamster princess's room, I decided to make a cute set of curtains. I've chosen a thin, white mesh fabric with sparkling yellow stars, giving the room a dreamy and radiant feel. To add a touch of elegance to the hamster princess's room, I'm going to make a cute little footstool. I've prepared a soft pink cotton fabric, a piece of white paper, and a small, cute white bead string. Let's try your new bedroom. I hope she has beautiful dreams in this beautiful castle. turn to next room. Wow. I need to remove this. My finger is hurt. I forgot. A few layers for floor first. Now, I'm going to create a bathtub for the hamster princess where she can relax and enjoy a royal life. I will use white colored paper to decorate the hamster princess's bathtub. I choose a pristine white color, decorate the bathtub, bringing luxury and sophistication. Next, I will create the faucet for the bathtub. I take a plastic straw. I will use it to create the faucet for the bathtub. I will use sky blue colored paper to decorate the hamster princess's vanity table. I choose a cool sky blue color, decorate the vanity table, bringing elegance and sophistication. I use shiny silver paper to create the mirror on the vanity table. Here is your bathroom. The next step, I will create stairs for the hamster princess's castle where she can move up and down between the rooms. Diamond strings on both sides. Golden globes at the end. I have chosen a white Formex sheet, sturdy, to create the main door. I use a compass to engrave fake wood grain lines, creating firm, straight lines, evoking the image of wooden planks on the door. Then paint pink and add door knockers. And so, the fake wood door made of Formex is complete. I will add more parts for castle. Here and here. Now, the hamster princess's castle is complete.